Good morning, everyone. We are at the Soto Creations Event Center. I am going to show you guys around. Today is more of an administrative day, cleaning, organizing, but I figured I would show you guys the space so you see a few of our rental items in case you need rentals or you need a venue for your next event. This is the foyer area. As you can see, we rent all of this, and pretty much everything you see can be rented. We have bistro tables. Some people like this as a touch to their event, especially welcoming guests. We have our Barbie box that someone just returned. That is right here. We have this adult size, but we also have a kid size that's about 5 feet tall. So show you guys that. You can come in here, fit right in. You have plenty of room. And then do balloons as well. So we have balloons, drapes. You can combine both or just the garland, whichever one works for you. Then let's go into our Ballroom 360 photo booth. Comes with the screen that you can just scan your pictures and your guests have all their videos. Chairs, if you need Chavari chairs, we have gold and white. They come with the cushion. Tables, our LED dance floor. You can see we can put your initials, customize the design on there. We have serpentine tables. The tops are not on, but these have either a white top or a clear top. You've probably seen these before. More balloons. More drapes, and we have our floral backdrop. So if you have a wedding, quinceañera coming up, you can rent this. We customize the roses. So the blue roses, we can change the color, and the hydrangeas so that it suits your color scheme. Let me show you our stage. We have the stage with the skirt. We can do white or black. And last but not the least, our throne chairs. Can rent this for your next. So thank you guys so much for watching, following, and supporting our small business. Have a blessed day.